Hey guys, it's Bear with the Gimpy Camper. So I'm down here at the M25. I just wanted to let you guys know about a product that I did share on my Facebook and stuff not too long ago. It's actually these lights right here. They're called OGERY. I really like them because they're like 32 feet long each. They roll up into this reel here. You can set it where it lights up or it doesn't. We'll go through the different settings in just a second. But they're also really cheap. It's a good value from what I can see. Also, OGERY has an awesome fan that Tom and Lori RV Life did a review on. I really want to get my hands on one of those fans because it's got like a built-in light and tripod. Really nice. But we're going to start with this. So like I say, these lights are 32 feet in length. So all I did was wrap this one like around the canopy here. I just kind of looped it through the loops and looped it through itself, so it's still pretty easy to take apart. But that thing goes all the way around the canopy and then ends up all the way over there, all the way over there at the end of the awning. So that's pretty remarkable to me. And then I have this other one kind of wrapped around the tree and it goes over there to the light pole. So $15 each. Now it says it's on sale, but it's been saying that for like a month, so I don't know how long the sale lasts or what the normal price is. But $15 each or two for $25 on Amazon. Comes straight to your door. Awesome. So let's go through the settings here. So it's off. The first setting is just the yellow lights without the light here. Second setting is Christmas blinky lights fast. Then Christmas blinky lights that are, well, Christmas steady lights. I guess they don't blink. And then the yellow lights again, but this time this is lit up. This also has a reel so you can roll it up, as well as a magnet back here so it'll stick to anything metallic. Let's see where we're at. So the yellow, Christmas lights, yellow again. Oh, and then just this, that lights up. So those are the different lighting modes. This is just a little quick video because I just wanted to bring this, guys, to you because I felt like it was a good deal. So like I said, it's on sale right now. I don't know how long that's going to last, but $15 each or two for $25 I think is a steal for this. I think it was like 3 for $44 or something like that. But the link's down in the description. As usual, it does help our channel a little bit if you do decide to order it from us. If not, perfectly fine as well. But I just wanted to share it with you. The link, like I say, is down in the description, and we'll catch you next time. I'm going to hang out here by the fire with a little bit of mood lighting. See you guys next time.